This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. Great investment opportunity with this CBS Full Duplex. Each side consists of a 2-bed, 2-bath with laundry room, screen porch and amp, fenced yard. Each unit is 932 air conditioner square feet and 1,178 total square feet per side. The kitchens offer oak cabinetry, Formica counters and amp, white or black appliances. Both sides have 18 inches tile throughout, including the back porch and amp, laundry rooms. Tenants are month to month. Washers and amp, dryers don't convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.